Good morning, student. Today we will complete our remaining chapter first, that is the earth where we live. Now, question before starting the chapter, I will asking the few questions. Okay, so ready for this, student? What do we see in the sky during the daytime? Everybody know. Every student know. Give me the answer, beta. What do we see in the sky during the daytime? It is sun. What do we see in the night sky? Student, what do we see in the night sky? Are you know it? Yes, the moon and the stars. Okay, student. Now, in this chapter, we have to study about Earth. Because we live on planet Earth. It is our home planet. So, we study about the Earth. Student, tell me why we call Earth is blue planet? You know this? Okay, the Earth is called the blue planet as there is more water on its surface. It looks blue from the space. That's why we call it the blue planet. Okay, student? Now one more word is here. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? The envelope of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Now student, planet, heavenly objects which revolve around the sun, we call the planet. Okay, so we will start life on earth. Now student, yesterday we had to discuss the same thing, life on earth. All living things survive on earth. Can you say why? Can you say why? Yes, because there is air, water and land on earth. Because there is air, water and land on earth. That's why they survive it. In fact, file, earth is the only planet where there is life. Student, earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. How we know? First, we will make diagram circle. Okay. What is the atmosphere? Earth is surrounded by. It is surrounded by a blanket of air. It's called the atmosphere. Okay. Good. Now, let's continue. It is like a filter for harmful rays of the sun. Who is the filter? Atmosphere. Because it is surrounded our earth and it's filter. How it's filtered? Sun is here. Rays. So, atmosphere is playing a role as a filter. It gets the right amount of heat and light from the sun. Okay, student? Now, a large part of earth is covered by water. Sorry. A large part of the earth is covered by water. The layer of water on or at the surface of the earth is called a hydrosphere. What is hydrosphere? It is a layer of water on earth. We call this hydrosphere. Okay, student? Now, all the water bodies such as the oceans, seas, rivers, where I am here. rivers, seas, lakes make up the hydrosphere. It is home to many aquatic planets, plants and animals. So students, what is the aquatic? Aquatic is the watery animals. Okay. Water is also required by all living creatures on land. What is here student? Water is also required by all living creatures on land. So student, on this page, it is page number 6. On this page, we have to study about life on earth. On this topic, we study about two words, atmosphere and hydrosphere. So, atmosphere, what is atmosphere? The envelope of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Hydrosphere, the layer of water on or at the surface of earth is called the hydrosphere. Okay, now move on next page. Yes, here. The remaining part of the earth is covered by land. We know students about 70% water on our earth, that we call the blue planet. Okay, now then land is 29%, 30% is land. So the remaining part of the earth is covered by land. This solid outer part of earth is called the lithosphere. Solid part is called lithosphere. It is the land on which we live. Our home, school, gardens and markets are built on land. It is the outer layer of the earth and is made up of rock and soil. It is also known as the crust. What is crust? We make one diagram here. Like this. Okay, what is crust? So our earth is divided into three layers. Outer layer, it is crust. This is crust. Then mantle and core. Okay student. So where we live on outer layer of the earth. This is made up of rock and soil. And all living organisms exist either on land, water or air. All living organisms exist either on land, water or air. This makes Earth a unique planet. Who makes Earth unique planet? Land, water or earth makes Earth a unique planet. Okay student? Hope you understand. So student, recall the word planet. It means heavenly objects which revolve around the sun. How it revolve? It revolve like this. This represents sun here. Revolve. Revolve the sun. Like this. Okay. So, planet, the heavenly objects which revolve around the sun. Okay. Now, second word here is atmosphere. Atmosphere, the envelope of air which surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. Now student, hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, the layer of water on or at the surface of earth is called hydrosphere. Now, one interesting word is also here, lithosphere. Lithosphere, solid outer part of earth is called lithosphere. Solid outer part of earth, how we understand? First we make the diagram. It is the outer part of earth. This solid outer part of earth is called lithosphere. It is the land on which we live. Our home, school, garden and markets are built on land. Okay, and now student, more interesting thing, it is the outer layer of the earth and is made up of rock and soil. Okay, now let's recall the sun, the moon, the stars and the planets are called heavenly body. Second, earth is one of the 8 planets. Now, third, the shape of the earth is geoid. Fourth, Ferdinand Magellan proved that the earth is round. Yes, living things survive on earth because there is air, water and land. Okay student, now hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you so much student.